is for its third grade. I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick video to kind of show you how to access your assignments in Google Classroom, as well as do a refresher on how to access Wonders, Envisions, and Amplify Science. First things first, make sure you're on google.com. You've logged into your Google account with your Fayette County email and your Chromebook password. You're going to go to the Waffle or the 9 dots, and you're going to click Classroom. You're going to head to third grade Pruitt 2019-2020. Here you're going to pull up to your class feed. Two very important things will be in the class feed. Number one is how I'm going to take attendance. Every day I'm going to ask you a different question. Your response should be in the class comment section. When you've commented to that question, I will mark you present for the day. It could be simple as, how are you feeling today? Or what do you miss most about school? So again, once you've commented, then that will mark you present for the day. Another thing that's going to post up on this feed are your daily NTI agendas. So you will have a different agenda every single NTI day starting Monday, April 6th. So for instance, here is the agenda for Monday, April 6th, okay? So you're going to have math tasks, your reading tasks, and your science tasks. It's very important that you do the tasks in order as I've typed them. There will be videos for you to watch, either videos that your teachers have made for you, or videos we found on YouTube, or even Khan Academy videos. Please make sure you watch them and take note as you are watching them. At the bottom, you're going to have Imagine Learning. You're still going to be required to do 20 minutes of Imagine Literacy, 20 minutes of Imagine Math, and 10 minutes of Imagine Math Facts. Do your best to get those in as much as you can every single day, okay? Then you're going to have extra resources, and this is where you're going to have your optional book studies. And I will do a separate video later to kind of talk to you about what those book studies will look like. But again, this is an example of one of the daily agendas. It looks like a lot, but a lot of the days kind of repeats with different lessons. Okay, so back to our Google Classroom. Sometimes you're going to have to submit assignments through Google Classroom. You will find those in classwork. I've created different topics on the sides. Those different topics are reading, math, discussion questions, science. You'll have a social studies, and then you'll have your book study topics as well. So again, you can see that a lot of the assignments are grayed out. That means they're not available for you. They will become available the day that they're assigned at 6 a.m. So for example, you're going to come down here and reading. There are two reading assignments for Monday, April 6th. They will be available at 6 a.m. on those days, and they will last until the following evening for you to complete. All right, if you have any questions on this, you can always email me or message me on Class Dojo. But let's kind of go aside and go back to Google, because you will need to access Envision and sometimes Wonders, okay? So in the Waffle, to access Envision, you're going to go down to Pearson Easy Bridge. Once there, you're going to click through and you're going to go to the Assignments tab, which looks like this, okay? You're going to click it, and I've already assigned several different lessons for you, but if you can see that they're assigning on different dates. So you can't start just yet, but these will be visual learning videos, interactive student workbook pages, and buddy practice. When you complete it and it scores, it sends me your grade. So make sure that you're really trying and not just guessing through that. Same thing for Wonders. In the Waffle, you're going to go to Connect Ed for your Wonders. Once in Wonders, you're going to go to the to-do. I will always link your Wonder story through Wonders, and I'll also try to link it through Google Classroom. So you'll have two different ways that you can access the readings. The last thing I want to talk about is getting on to Amplify. Remember, Amplify is not in the Waffle. Amplify is on clever.com. So when you go ahead and log in as a student, you're going to log in with your Google. That's your Fayette County email and your Chromebook password. At the bottom, you're going to have your Imagine Literacy, your Imagine Math, and your Imagine Math Facts. Well, the orange button is for your Amplify. So if you click your Amplify, you're going to be accessing the student apps. The student apps will be in the 3 bars at the top corner right here. You're going to click those and then go down to the elementary student apps. Once in the student apps, depending on the unit, for instance, we're going to be in the inheritance and traits unit. You'll have your practice tools here and then your student books here. Okay, so you may have to access those as well as we go through the NTI days. Again, if you have any questions on Google Classroom or how to access any of the programs, just email me or send me a message on Dojo. I hope to see you guys real soon.